guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I didn't get to do a proper intro for this video, but this is me taking a ferry for the first time, and I was headed to CMS. I guess I was going to Elegushi Beach, Lagos. So I went with my friend. This was actually my first time of taking a ferry, but that was not our first time. So yes, we are in now. And the ferry, I was legit scared. I was so scared. Look at the water. They had to help me get in. Then look at my friend behind. She was supposed to sit beside me, but she didn't. Well, you move. So I was trying to readjust and so yeah, we're sitting inside, and the ferry was trying to balance on the water and everything. So yeah, look at the water. God, I was scared though. At some point I was scared. I was not even I was really scared. So the journey started already. I could not even take out my phone to really show you guys how the water is and everything. I was scared. What if my phone drops in the water or anything? And I could not even swim. Okay, just ignore my bad face. I was really dealing with acne a lot in December. This was me in December. I was really dealing with acne a whole lot. It was battling with me. But it's a little bit cleared now. My face is better, actually. So yeah. I was just there. It got to a point the thing was actually shaking. So yeah, we already landed and we took an Uber. So we're going to our location, the beach. This is just me vibing to a song I can't remember. I can't actually remember what song I was vibing to. But yeah. Okay, look at that hot girl. Okay. So yeah, we got to the beach already, and we're trying to get a spot to sit. Yeah, and the music was playing, and I was trying to vibe while my friend does the bookings and all. Still the same thing. So yeah, I really love the energy of this water. I really love the energy this water brought. It was so energetic. I really loved it. Really loved the energy the water brought. And there was really nothing much in Elegushi. It was not that expensive. We just had to, book a place to see. We entered with I think 1K tickets to enter. And that was it. We got a place to sit, we got food, we got drinks, and we just enjoyed. Yeah, so this is still the water view. I love the energy the water brought. Yes, this was the only thing that I could do there that made sense, which is a roller coaster. Although they rolled it with their hands. There were these guys, they're charging 500 naira per, I think 20 minutes or less, or even more. I can't really remember, but they were charging 500 naira per ride. I really enjoyed it though. To think I'm scared of heights, it got to a point where they were really fast. And okay, yeah, this is me vibing too. I think Whiskey's Essence. Hey, y'all, give me something I want. Okay. I was trying to read my lips so I'll know what I was singing. Okay. Ayaya. Hey. Ayaya. So yeah, we did roller coaster for a bit, enjoyed, and that was it. Went home. So Elegushi Beach was not that expensive, and what really made me do this video is that I took a ferry for the first time, very first time. Yeah, and that's it. Peace, bye. And okay, to think my intro was not properly done, Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.